The morning sun streams through the terminal's glass walls. Thousands of travelers hurry to their gates, each focused on their own journey. Among them is a young traveler with his boarding pass in hand. He is ready for adventure. Checking his gate number one last time, a cold wave of realization hits him. He stops mid-stride, the vibrant energy of the airport suddenly feeling like a distant lure. His heart races as his hands dive into his hoodie pockets. He frantically checks every compartment of his backpack for that familiar passport. It's not there. The pocket is empty. Fear begins to set in, completely overshadowing the excitement of his journey. Around him, the world keeps moving. Families laugh and travelers rush past, oblivious to the silent crisis unfolding in the hall. He pats down his jeans, his breath hitching. Every pocket is checked and rechecked, but the passport is nowhere to be found. Through the haze of panic, his eyes scan the terminal. He desperately searches for any sign of help or a way out. Nearby stands a security officer, a beacon of calm and authority amidst the chaotic flow of the morning terminal traffic. With desperate urgency, he steps forward. He needs help now, before his dream trip slips away into a total nightmare. Wait, where is it? I just had it in my hand a second ago. It can't be gone. My pockets are empty. My heart is starting to pound against my chest. This isn't happening. The terminal is a sea of busy people, and I'm suddenly drowning in a wave of pure desperation. I need to check the seating area. I was sitting right there, near gate 12. Stay calm. I pull everything out. Books, headphones, cables, but the folder isn't here. Where is the folder? I'm on my knees now, checking the floor, the gaps between the chairs. Anywhere it could have slipped. The boarding call echoes through the hall. 20 minutes. I only have 20 minutes left. I retrace every single step, from the coffee shop to the security line. It has to be somewhere. There. A security officer. Maybe someone found it and handed it in. Please, let someone have found it. Excuse me, officer, please. I've lost something critical. A small blue folder with all my documents. I had it at the check-in counter, and now it's just gone. I can't board without it. He looks at me with a professional calm that I can't even begin to imagine right now. He's calling it in. This is my last hope. If it's not in the system, I'm stuck here. The flight display is flickering. Final call. Everything I worked for depended on this single trip. The airport keeps moving, the world keeps turning, but for me everything has just stopped. Welcome to the modern hub of travel, where every journey begins with a story. Airports can be bustling and complex, but they are built to keep you moving. Meet our traveler, like many of us. He's facing a moment of uncertainty, with time ticking away. The pressure of a busy terminal can feel overwhelming. In moments of stress, the first step is knowing where to turn. A professional assistance desk serves as a beacon of clarity in the hall. He explains his situation, his face showing the worry of a missed connection. It's in these moments that high-quality service truly makes a difference. The airport staff listens with focused attention. Professionalism isn't just about answers, it's about making the traveler feel heard and respected. With a calm demeanor, the officer provides a solution. A simple gesture and clear directions are often all it takes to turn a crisis into a plan. The weight is lifted. You can see the relief wash over him as he realizes he's back on track. A little help goes a long way. With renewed confidence, he heads toward his destination. This is the heart of a great airport where every traveler finds the support they need. Traveling through a bustling airport is an adventure, but it can turn into a nightmare when you realize you've lost something essential. The moment of panic sets in. But the best thing to do is stay calm and head straight to the security desk. Here, the traveler explains the situation. A professional officer listens, taking notes to begin the search process. The security officer leads the way to the storage area, where items are meticulously tagged and organized for their owners. Inside the well-lit office, the officer checks the digital database, cross-referencing the traveler's description with recently found property. It takes just a moment of searching through the shelves. Then, the officer finds exactly what the traveler was looking for. The traveler's expression shifts instantly from deep worry to a visible sigh of relief. The stress of the day simply vanishes as the item is handed back across the counter. A brief nod of thanks acknowledges the professional help received. With the items safely back in his backpack, the traveler feels the weight of the world lift off his shoulders. He heads back toward the terminal, ready for the flight. A stressful situation resolved with efficiency and care. Safe travels. Traveling is an adventure, but sometimes things don't go as planned. Imagine reaching for your passport and finding nothing but an empty pocket. It's easy to let panic take over. But staying calm is your greatest tool. Take a deep breath and look for professional assistance. Immediately, approach the staff. They are trained for these exact situations. Clearly explain your situation and follow their guidance without hesitation. In many cases, your missing documents are closer than you think. A quick check at the lost and found station often solves the mystery. If it's truly gone, they will provide a clear checklist of the next steps to take. Knowledge is power, and it keeps you in control. A simple thank you goes a long way. Gratitude transforms a stressful moment into a positive human connection before you continue your journey. Now, with everything sorted, you can finally relax. Your journey isn't ruined. This is just another part of your unique travel story. Always keep digital copies of your documents and know the local embassy's location before you fly. Preparation is the key to confidence. Because at the end of the day, travel is about the lessons we learn along the way. Stay prepared, stay calm, and keep exploring.